Let's now go over the tools that you will need in order to follow this course. There are two main tools that you will need. First of all, we are talking about Node.js. A more recent version of Node.js is preferred, also alongside a package manager like npm. All you have to do, if you don't already have it installed, you can go to its official website /download, select your variant. I prefer an LTS version. You select your platform and then you can simply follow the installation. The second tool that I'm talking about is a code editor. Any code editor that you prefer will do just fine. We won't use any special features of any code editor. Inside this course, I will use Visual Studio Code. If you don't have it installed, you can go to its official website /download and download it for your specific operating system. In the end, I also want to point out that you will need to have a terminal. Throughout the course, I will use a terminal many times. Most of the time, I will use the one embedded inside VS Code, but nonetheless, you should have a terminal and you should know how to use it at least at a basic level. This being said, let's move on into the next section and get an introduction to software testing.